Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you about the valve body. What inside the valve body. This valve body is BMW 3 series GM6 6-speed gearbox. We're going to disassemble it and I will show you what actually inside this one and how to disassemble it. Okay. Mainly this part, you can see here. Here have the solenoid. The solenoids we have to remove. I will show you how to take the solenoid out. Okay. Okay. We remove this all screws, then that's it. Then you can see what's the inside. Like this. This one all is inside. It's hard to explain what going inside, but we can see like these things, and so many massive pathways for oil. This one there is have a small bowl. Everyone this junction have the bowl and filter, small filters. You can see, then another bowl there, another one. Yes, this part is there, and in between these parts we can see another seal kit. That's the gasket. This one also, this one is mainly see, you can see here, it's you can't see anything, just a really small. But behind this one is have another part. This one like a circuit board. It's have part number specialized is there. Okay, that's it. That's the inside the BMW GM 6-speed gearbox. If you need, you can take it out to the solenoid as well. Then we can see how it's going. Okay guys, thank you for watching this.